Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eric and this is Jay and we're called M and J 101. Okay, so today we're doing puffy slime. Sorry for the camera.
Autocorrect is full.
Fluffy slime. Okay.
So we have our
So we have the things you're gonna need, so who you go first?
we have the glue, we have the shaving cream, we have borax.
Okay, and
then
we have two sticks in case you have two people. How many people do you have? Just get some sticks to steer your slime with and some food coloring. And kind of food coloring we're using like a cake.
So what you need to for fluffy slime, you have to have the glue. You have to put as much shaving cream as you want.
Oh my god. Okay, there. That's how. Okay, now you have to mix
Now
it.
you have to mix it.
Oh my gosh. So we got extreme glue, so. It's so weird. We should have gone make it play. Wait. Let's not move it. Can you mix it now? I'll blend it in. Can you mix it? We'll come right back. So right here, so we're switching our plate to a new plate.
Because it was too small.
Yeah, so you can. How many shaving cream you want? So they try to give me more. There. Hata? Okay, there. Just put it. Just be careful. Don't drop anything.
Let me put it.
Just give it to me. You keep doing this one.
So I'm gonna mix it 2 sticks. Apparently.
Okay, there. She's mixing with the one stick. M came back. So you wanna mix it really good. Make That's okay.
The more shaving cream you have, the more it's gonna get.
Okay, then more shaving cream. Tell Dad for permission. So the kind of more shaving cream. Okay, I put it here. Okay, so we got this glue.
While she left, I'm gonna be here still stirring.
So we got this glue right here. Sorry.
We're bad at recording.
Yeah, we're brand new on this thing, so please excuse. So we got this one. It's extreme and it was like half a bottle. So yeah. So while she's mixing, I'm gonna mix the borax with the water.
Well, she's gone. I'm gonna mix her 2 sticks.
Okay.
How do you possibly put
Sorry again.